Hi, I'm Aaron Dad with Archer Services, and today I'm here to talk to you about Silver Falls Dichondra. This is a silver foliage ground cover. It has a leaf very similar to the silver dollar or the dollar weed in your landscape, but it's smaller, and the beautiful silver foliage adds some nice color and texture. This is a very filtered sunlight backyard, and it's doing great, but it does actually well in very dry climates and full sun. It does wonderful in pots where it can overhang and drape. This is slowly starting to kind of creep over and in between these rocks, so it's going to add a lot of dimension to my boulders right here. And what's great is it's going to slowly kind of fill in and add a lot of color and texture to reduce my maintenance. So as this kind of covers everything, it's going to help protect the soils underneath it to where I won't have to add as much mulch. It also helps reduce my weed coverage as I'm adding all these ground covers. And like I said, just adding one more plant in here just adds a lot more excitement. I have a foxtail fern over here. I have an azalea right back here, and it just adds another dimension to the landscape. That's just a lot of fun. It doesn't flower, so this is it. It's the foliage is what you're going after. It adds another color and dimension to your landscape. Very low maintenance. Just don't overwater this guy. Past that, you're doing really, really well. So have fun in your landscape and do something exciting today. Thank you.